Hey everyone, welcome to Consumer Choice, your go-to spot for the latest in tech and gear reviews. In today's video, we're counting down the 5 best compact cameras of 2025. Perfect for travelers, vloggers, and everyday shooters who want big performance in a small package. Whether you're upgrading your gear or just getting started, there's something here for every budget and style. Make sure to check the links in the description for updated prices, full specs, and where to buy. Let's dive in. Number 5. Panasonic Lumix ZS99. The Panasonic Lumix ZS99 is a versatile travel companion designed for photographers who prioritize portability and zoom range in a compact package. Equipped with a 20.3 megapixel 1 or 2.3-inch BSI CMOS sensor, this camera delivers solid image quality for casual and travel photography, though it doesn't match the low-light performance of larger sensor competitors. Its standout feature is the Leica-branded 24-7 20mm equivalent f3.3 6.4 lens, offering an impressive 30x optical zoom that captures everything from wide landscapes to distant wildlife, making it ideal for vacations or spontaneous shoots. The 5-axis optical image stabilization ensures steady shots, even at full zoom or in low light, while the 3-inch 180-degree tilting touchscreen is perfect for selfies or vlogging. The ZS99 supports 4K video at 30p and 30 fps burst shooting for capturing fast action, with a user-friendly interface and automatic modes that cater to beginners. Wi-Fi connectivity simplifies sharing photos to social media, and the USB-C charging adds modern convenience. However, the absence of a viewfinder, a downgrade from its predecessor, the ZS80, and the smaller sensor size limit its performance in challenging lighting conditions. Weighing just 322, its pocketable design is a major draw for travelers who need a lightweight, all-in-one solution. While not a premium compact, the ZS99's zoom versatility and ease of use make it a strong contender for those seeking value without sacrificing functionality. Priced around $549, it's a budget-friendly option in 2025's compact camera market, though serious photographers may want a larger sensor for better dynamic range. Number 4. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III remains a favorite among vloggers and hybrid shooters in 2025, blending portability with robust photo and video capabilities. Its 20.1 ELPWAR's 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor delivers excellent image quality, surpassing most smartphones, especially in well-lit conditions. The 24-100mm equivalent f1.8 2.8 zoom lens offers a versatile range for landscapes, portraits, and close-ups, with a bright aperture that excels in low light and creates pleasing bokeh. The camera's compact, jacket-pocketable design, weighing 304G, features a tactile control dial and exposure compensation dial, giving enthusiasts manual control while remaining beginner-friendly. A 3-inch flip-up touchscreen is ideal for selfies and vlogging, complemented by 4K video recording without crop and a microphone input for high-quality audio. The G7X Mark III supports 30 fps RAW burst mode and in-camera RAW editing, appealing to photographers who value flexibility. Its autofocus is fast and reliable, though it lacks a viewfinder and in-body stabilization, relying instead on lens-based stabilization. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth ensure seamless connectivity, and USB charging adds convenience. Despite its popularity driving up used prices beyond the original $890, its scarcity in 2025 reflects its appeal among content creators. Drawbacks include limited battery life and no headphone jack. But for those needing a compact camera for both stills and video, the G7X Mark III is a compelling choice, though availability issues may push buyers toward alternatives like the Canon PowerShot V1. Number 3. Sony ZV-1 II. The Sony ZV-1 II is a compact powerhouse tailored for vloggers and content creators in 2025, building on the success of its predecessor with video-centric upgrades. Its 20.1 megapixel 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor delivers sharp stills and 4K video at 30p, with a wider 18 to 50 meter equivalent f1.8 4.0 zoom lens, ideal for walk-and-talk vlogs and selfies. The fully articulated touchscreen enhances usability for self-recording, while the 3-capsule microphone with included windscreen ensures clear audio, even outdoors. Sony's class-leading autofocus with real-time eye tracking and subject recognition keeps subjects in focus effortlessly, and the background defocus and product showcase modes simplify vlogging tasks. Weighing just 290, it's highly portable, though it lacks a viewfinder and optical stabilization, relying on digital stabilization that slightly crops the frame. The ZV-1 II's minimalist design prioritizes ease of use, with customizable controls and a responsive touchscreen for quick settings adjustments. It supports full HD at 120 FPS for slow motion and includes microphone and headphone jacks for professional audio setups. However, its battery life is modest, lasting around 45 minutes of continuous recording, and the lens's f4.0 aperture at the telephoto end limits low-light performance. Priced competitively, it's a strong alternative to the pricier Canon G7X Mark III, especially for video-focused users. While not as versatile for stills as cameras with larger sensors, its vlogging-specific features and compact form factor make it a top choice for creators needing portability and quality. Number 2. Ricoh GR3 GR3X. The Ricoh GR3 and GR3X are cult favorites among street photographers in 2025, offering uncompromising image quality in an ultra-pocketable body. Both feature a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, rivaling larger mirrorless cameras with excellent dynamic range and low-light performance. The GR3 sports a 28-meter equivalent f2.8 lens, while the GR3X offers a 40-meter equivalent f2.8 lens for a tighter, more normal field of view, ideal for portraits and controlled compositions. Weighing just 257, GR3, and 262, GR3X, these cameras are discreet, with a minimalist design that emphasizes stealth and speed. The 3-axis sensor shift stabilization and fast hybrid autofocus, including a snap focus mode, ensure quick, sharp shots, while macro capabilities allow close-ups as near as 6 cm GR3 or 12 cm GR3X. The 3-inch touchscreen and customizable controls enhance usability, though the lack of a viewfinder in 4K video may deter some users. Both models produce stunning JPEGs with versatile presets like vivid and positive film, and 14-bit DNG support caters to raw shooters. The optional 1.5x teleconverter, GR3YIX, adds zoom flexibility, and 2 GB internal storage is a unique touch. While not weather-sealed and limited to 1080p video, their image quality and portability are unmatched for street photography. Priced around $899, their popularity has driven stock shortages, but the upcoming GR4 may offer an alternative. These cameras are for photographers who value discretion and quality over versatility. Number 1. Fujifilm X100VI. The Fujifilm X100VI is the pinnacle of compact cameras in 2025, blending retro aesthetics with cutting-edge technology for enthusiasts and professionals. Its 40.2 megapixel APS-C X-Trans 5 sensor delivers exceptional detail and dynamic range, outpunching many full-frame compacts, while the fixed 23-meter f2.0 lens, 35-meter equivalent, is razor-sharp, perfect for street, portrait, and reportage photography. In-body image stabilization, IBIS, ensures steady handheld shots in low light, a significant upgrade over its predecessor, the X100V. The hybrid optical electronic viewfinder offers unmatched flexibility, and tactile manual dials provide a delightful shooting experience. Supporting 6.2K video and 20 film simulations like Classic Chrome, it infuses photos with a cinematic, vintage feel without post-processing. The X100VI's lightning-fast autofocus with eye tracking excels in dynamic scenes, and its weather-sealed body, with a lens filter, adds durability. Weighing 521, it's less pocketable than others but feels premium, with a metal body and leatherette grip. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth ensure easy sharing, and the tilting touchscreen aids creative angles, though it's not fully articulated. Its $1,590 price and high demand make it hard to find, with used X100V models often exceeding list price. The lack of zoom and fixed lens may limit versatility, but its image quality, design, and features make it the ultimate compact for deliberate shooters who prioritize style and performance.